Welcome to the commercialproperty.eu, United Kingdom opportunities in the spotlight. Search and list commercial property for sale, rent or auction from the European Union, United Kingdom and Switzerland on our platform, for as little as 48 cents a day. Europe's premier destination for commercial property tenants and investors. The United Kingdom's commercial property sector remains one of the most dynamic and diverse markets in Europe, encompassing office spaces, retail units, industrial facilities, and specialist sectors such as logistics and data centers. London continues to dominate as a global commercial hub, attracting substantial investment due to its financial services, strong legal framework, and international connectivity. However, regional cities like Manchester, Birmingham, and Edinburgh are increasingly drawing investor interest due to infrastructure improvements and attractive yields. Post-pandemic, the office market is undergoing structural changes driven by hybrid working trends. Demand for high-quality, flexible, and sustainable office spaces remains strong, while secondary assets face increased vacancy rates and downward rental pressure. ESG, environmental, social, and governance considerations are now critical, with occupiers and investors prioritizing green buildings and energy-efficient assets. The UK's industrial and logistics sector continues to outperform, fueled by the sustained growth of e-commerce and supply chain diversification. There is strong demand for strategically located distribution centers, especially near major transport corridors and urban centers. However, limited land availability and rising construction costs are constraining supply. Retail property faces ongoing challenges, particularly in high street locations, due to changing consumer habits and the shift towards online shopping. Prime retail parks and mixed-use schemes with leisure and experiential offerings are proving more resilient. Investment volumes have moderated compared to previous peaks, reflecting caution amid higher interest rates and macroeconomic uncertainty. Nevertheless, the UK remains attractive to both domestic and international investors, underpinned by transparent markets, liquidity, and a robust legal system. Looking ahead, market resilience will hinge on economic stability, interest rate trajectories, and the continued evolution of work and retail behaviors. Investors focusing on high-quality, sustainable assets in growth sectors are best positioned to capitalize on long-term opportunities.